Why a book about molded cookies? Simply because they're beautiful and special. So beautiful you can give them as small gifts or take them to a party as a special treat. So special you can feature them at bake sales or enter them in a competition. And they can be delicious as well. The truth is, though, that none of my own early attempts came out well at all. The cookies tasted good but looked terrible. But I was determined to master the art, and before long I was doing much better. Then finally I discovered a long-forgotten fact about the earliest traditional recipes that made the whole process about 50 times easier. Today, molded cookies are within the reach of the home baker as never before. Cookie molds of all sorts are plentiful. You can choose from many styles and materials, new or old. And the recovered knowledge of the old baker's secret ingredient makes the molds once again easy to use.